Happy Thursday. Kind of a mix of cloud cover out the door this morning. It's 8:08 right now, but generally this goes on to be at least a partly cloudy, if not a mostly sunny sky day in some areas. Portland hit 74 on Wednesday. Should be right about the same today. Behind me, and again, I apologize for the reflection on the monitor, is my imagery page. It starts with radar. Then you've got some visible satellite pictures, and kind of centered up is the water vapor imagery. Anyway, when you look at the water vapor imagery today, you can see that building to our south is a line of pretty active moisture flow. And that is where everything is going to be developing this weekend as a big low eventually comes in and we get likely rain at times. So the latest on the forecast. Today, the last day for a while with a 0% rain chance. Friday, you'll notice it's going to be more of a partly to mostly cloudy day. Might just be overcast by later in the afternoon. And as we get into a southwesterly flow, we have at least a chance of seeing some scattered or spotty showers develop tomorrow later in the day and into the evening hours. This may or may not happen in the valley, but the chance is there. And then by the time you get up Saturday morning, the radar will be pretty active. There will be numerous showers coming and going during the day on Saturday and maybe to a slightly lesser extent on Sunday. Latest forecast modeling shows quarter of an inch on average for the valley on Saturday. Some models show upwards of 4/10 of an inch. And then Sunday, it's more like 1/10 of an inch to maybe 2/10 of an inch of total rainfall on average. Again, Saturday, it looks to be overall the wettest. It's the day we have this active moisture flow coming up with the upper level low. On Sunday, we're actually on the back side of that. And we have a northwesterly wind flow, but still a lot of moisture around. And it makes sense that we'd see some showers. You know, I suppose you can make the case that Sunday turns out to be much drier than anticipated, except for the mountains, where that northwesterly flow pattern would produce likely showers, both Coast Range and Cascades. And then by the time we get to Monday, Monday really ought to be a dry day if you have plans. Forecast models still insist we have a shower chance, so we'll see. But I like our chances of being at least mainly dry on Sunday and partly cloudy. And then we have another weather system that clouds us up Monday overnight, brings us likely rain Tuesday. Tuesday potentially has heftier rain totals than what we will see this Saturday. So that's a pretty rainy day right now. It looks like starting in the morning hours. Behind that, Wednesday is another day next week where we could be dry, but there's a scattered shower chance, and a weaker system brings us a shower chance on Thursdays. We continue to be what we thought we would be, and that is getting off to the first 2 weeks of June, seeing temperatures near normal to maybe even slightly below, with rain totals kind of right there, typical for this time of the year, which is some showers every few days. All right, hope you're having a good week. Crazy world. Have a good day today, and I'll talk to you soon.